One day, the Greek god Apollo was sitting on Mount Olympus, enjoying the scenery around him. Suddenly, he saw a beautiful nymph running by. She had lovely skin, big, beautiful blue eyes, and sparkling silver wings. The moment he laid his eyes on her, Apollo was in love. Apollo then got up to speak to the beautiful nymph. The nymph was named Sophie. She ran away from Apollo as soon as she saw him. Apollo wanted to speak to her and chased her. Sophie was scared and kept running from Apollo until she could not run anymore. She then prayed to her father, God Peneus, for help. Suddenly, in the place where Sophie was standing, Apollo saw a burst of light. He saw that the beautiful nymph was changing her form. Her hands turned into long branches, and her slender body had turned into a trunk. Many leaves sprouted from the branches. God Peneus had turned Sophie into a laurel tree to save her. Apollo, though disappointed, plucked a few leaves, made it into a crown, and placed it on his head like a wreath. Even today, in Greece, the highest prize given to winners is a laurel wreath.